All right, YouTube. I'm at one of my other customers' homes. I got the Workhorse. I usually use my Shark, but this is the first time I use the Workhorse on their carpets. You got 4 rooms of Berber carpet. So I'm going to see how much, again, dry soil that we get out of these Berber carpets. As you can see, and they keep their carpets pretty well maintained. I'm out here about every 3 to 4 months. But they do have dogs. So I'm going to be doing 4 areas right here. I remember the first time I came here, that bobcat scared the hell out of me. And then the masters, which is over there by the kitchen. So, and she watches all my videos on Facebook, Kelly. So I'm going to go ahead and, you can see that the Workhorse is completely empty from the first job. Just want to see how much we can get out of here. I rarely do Berber carpet, but just to see again what the Workhorse is going to get out, what we can't see. All right, guys, so look, all I've done is the baby's room and this hallway, and you can see all that dog hair that's coming out. Look at that. And of course you got all that in embedded dry soil. And like I said, I'm just doing this because I can't recall the last time vacuuming with the Workhorse on Berber carpet. Usually most of the carpets that I clean is nylon or polyester. And I know this customer, they do have 2, maybe 3 dogs. So, man, pretty impressed already. And I knew a lot of was going to come out because I vacuumed these carpets before with my Shark. If you look close, you can just see the soil just compounding. Look at that. Wow. Don't forget, guys, Call the number in the description. Tell them Courtney from YouTube sent you, and you can get your $25 off. Workhorse vacuum. What was that? Are you listening out for the baby? You just listening out for the baby? Oh, okay. Look at that, guys. You can just hear it. Still haven't done the dining room and the masters yet. Alright guys, what I've done, I've only vacuumed the living room and the baby's room and that little short hallway. And you can see all of this that I've gotten out. I'm going to go ahead and dump this and then vacuum the dining room and the masters. So see, I always give my customers refrigerator magnet. I've been doing that for years. It's a good thing to do for your customers. So there's my customer Jeff. He just got in with his AR-15, just went hunting or something. All right guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump this out. And you can see that the extraction is going to be easy. In fact, they got a trash. Yeah, they got a trash can right here. Supposed to be getting a lot of rain later on today. All right, guys, go ahead and do the next two rooms, and then the extraction will be easy. My house, just trying to find good people to do good work. Depending.
I tried to get him to come back out and fix some things, and he never came back.
Wow. So you won't even recommend him? Wow. I mean, again, that's a good thing, because if he didn't make you happy, 9 out of 10, he probably won't do it.
I mean, I could give you his number, but
yeah. Okay.
I wouldn't recommend him.
Wow. Yeah, you guys been using me for about 4 years now, so that's a good thing. Now, did you ever have someone clean the carpets before me?
Maybe once.
The only person we've let clean our carpet.
I'm the only person. Thanks, Jeff.
There might have been like one other person at one time, and they when they left, our house smelled.
Oh wow.
So we didn't.
Oh wow. Probably.
We found you, and then we haven't gone back.
Thank you. Yeah, probably overwetted the carpets.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah, if you had a smell after they cleaned the carpet was too wet, left too much water in them. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right, let me close this back, Kelly.
No,
Leave-
you're
okay.
good now. I just had it.
You going upstairs, Jeff?
Yeah, we'll be
all right, man. All right, guys. So this is the masters and the dining room. Look at that. So this is the second fill up. I was just asking my customer who did her granite countertops because I want to get mine done, and she was like, Courtney, I don't recommend them. So, I mean, it's just so crucial when businesses don't understand the power of repeats and referrals. I mean, my first 2 jobs today, guys, both repeat customers. And you heard she just said they'll never use anyone else. But yeah, guys, look at that. Woo! Man, look at that. Wow. All right, guys. Now the easy part. Pull the hoses out. And let's go ahead and extract. And I'll see you in the next one, Facebook. Workhorse doing all the work. All right, guys.